Hello friends, today we will discuss about knowing our numbers exercise 1.1 question number 4. Insert commas suitably and write the names according to International System of Numeration. First of all, we will discuss how to put commas according to International System of Numeration. We will write here as ones, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, right? That means what is the procedure or method to put commas in this system, that is International System of Numeration. You have to put after 3 digits 1 comma, that is 1s, 10, 100, you have to put comma here, right? After that 1000, 10,000, 100,000, that means after 3 digit you have to put another comma, right? After 3 digit, that is million, 10 million, 100 million, after that you have to put another comma, and after that it is billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. After 3 digit you have to put another comma, then trillion, 10 trillion, 100 trillion, right? That means after 3 digits you have to put commas in International System of Numeration. That is ones, here you see ones, 10, 100, you have to put in 1 comma, then 1000, 10,000, 100,000 you have to put another comma, then million, 10 million, 100 million you have to put another comma, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion you have to put another comma, after that trillion, 10 trillion, 100 trillion. That means you have to put the commas after 3 digits. Now the first one, that is A. Number A, insert commas suitably and write the names according to International System of Numeration. After 3 digits, that is 2, 9, 0, you have to put 1 comma here. After that 1, 2, 9, after 3 digits you have to put another comma here, right? Now B. B is after 3 digits you put another comma, that is 3, 8, 2, 1 comma. After that 2, 5, 4, after 3 digits you put another comma, right? Now question number C. 2, 0, 1, put 1 comma. After that 5, 8, 9, put another comma, right? Now question number D. 1, 3, 8, you put 1 comma. After that 9, 4, 0, put another comma. This is the method how to use commas in International System of Numeration. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.